Hi, everybody. My name is Adam Cohn. I'm the Vice President of Broadcasting, Marketing, and Programs here at NCMA Boston. Welcome back to yet another Meet the Speaker interview for our 2025 March Workshop, our 64th annual March Workshop. And boy, do we have a big topic for you all here today. I'm joined by Robin Krauthurst. I really hope I didn't just butcher your last name.
You didn't.
Perfect. I can keep my job for another day. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. So this is a brand new session to us, but one that I'm pretty excited about because when you think antitrust, it's like, oh, wait, I'm awake. I'm kidding, folks. Wake up. We're here. We're having some fun with this interview. The topic is reducing antitrust risk in bidding and contracting. Robin is a partner at McCarter and English. First of all, Robin, welcome. And tell us a little bit about yourself before we get into this wonderful world of antitrust.
Thank you for having me. So I've been practicing antitrust law for over a decade now. I began my career at the Department of Justice Antitrust Division, which is one of the two entities that's responsible for enforcing antitrust laws. And my government experience has provided me with great insight that I now counsel clients with on issues like how to avoid antitrust investigations, how to properly litigate so that you win, and how to defend yourself in front of any antitrust action.
I like it. So, my next question is kind of just a very generic one. What got you into your field? Because when a lot of people think McCarter in English, one of the standard bearers for helping out a lot of multiple size companies. I had the pleasure of talking with a local McCarter and English guy before I even know who you all were. And he was big on data rights and intellectual property. So you guys span the gamut on it. So why antitrust? What got you into this field?
Yeah, so I went to law school thinking I would practice somewhere in the finance law, maybe be a SEC enforcer type person. And my second year summer program, I was awarded a Steiger Fellowship, which is a program that puts people in state AGs across the country
Nice.
to do consumer protection and antitrust law. I was placed in the Missouri AG's office, and after one summer of helping just regular people deal with trash companies' bad behavior, it hooked me. And I thought, boy, if I can be hooked by trash, there's pretty much got to be the field that I need to practice in.
I love it. I love it. So that's a fantastic story, and I appreciate that. So we're gonna turn our attention here to your session. Again, reducing antitrust risk in bidding and contracting. If you all have been checking out the website, this was Thomas Finn's session from Ricardo in English. He's no longer coming, again, because we've had the program posted here for a while. So we appreciate you, Robin, bringing this exciting topic to us. All you AI folks, sorry, we'll have plenty of AI coming. Don't worry about it. But nevertheless, one thing I want to talk about when it comes to this session is what really interests you. You mentioned of what got you into the field. So what interests you about antitrust? And then we're going to kind of tease this for the folks here. What can people expect to learn during the session? If you want to combine those, go for it.
Yeah, so antitrust law is the law of protecting competition, not competitors, but competition and the process of competition. It's a very fact-specific type of law. I'm not a policy person. I don't want to talk about policy. And so what I like about antitrust law and why I'm here for this conference is that I like the way it applies to ordinary people. I like to take the cases and matters and break it down in a way that helps people understand what it is they should and should not be doing to avoid antitrust issues. In this particular space, the antitrust has a criminal enforcement element. So it's high stakes, right? We want to avoid prison. We want to avoid fines. And so I enjoy advising people and teaching people how to do just that.
I like it. So, what can give us a little snippet? What can people expect to learn during your session?
Yeah, so I'm going to cover recent antitrust enforcement actions that involve procurement and government management. I'm going to talk about what the DOJ antitrust enforcement wing has been doing on the criminal side, what the Trump administration's priorities are going forward. We're going to talk about tips to establish a compliance program to avoid any issues with bid rigging. And we're going to talk about how to avoid the appearance that you might be doing something wrong. And the idea there is that just having an investigation will cost you millions of dollars, and we want to avoid that altogether.
Works for me. Is there anything else you would like to share with everyone before everyone shows up for the March workshop?
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it. I'm actually going to attend a couple of sessions. The agenda looks fantastic, and this is my first time, so I'm looking forward to getting to know the people and the professionals in the Boston market. I actually grew up in Central Mass, so
Nice.
It's going to be a little bit of a homecoming for me, and I'm looking forward to it.
Excellent. We'll be more than happy to bring you back to Central Mass on a field trip. We could do that. I'm kidding. But we are so looking forward to having you. And thank you again for taking Thomas Finn's spot and stepping up here last minute to continue to give us not only a full agenda, but folks, quite frankly, and I have said this publicly, if you go back a couple of weeks ago on my LinkedIn video, this is the largest, heaviest hitter field we have for speakers that I have seen since I've been with NCMA and then I've been attending these events. So many heavy speakers. I mean, our keynote's the new director of DCAA, which is just, that's heavy hitter power right there, folks. Yeah. So we're very grateful. We're grateful for Robin, and we're grateful for all of you. Thursday, March 13th, we will see you at Bentley University or online through our Engages platform. Robin, thank you, and I'll see you at the event.
Thank you.